traditional teaching methods are struggling to meet the demands of modern education. Us at Globus Infocom have transformed the traditional methods and have come up with an advanced pace setter, digital board solution, also known as Smart Classroom Solution. Our solution allows teachers to effortlessly blend traditional teaching methods with digital features. Our interactive displays can enhance student engagement and encourage active participation. The DTD cabinet is made up of CRCA steel sheet designed to house the mini PC, visualizer, digital clock, wireless keyboard and mouse, and multimedia controller in an organized way. Our Globus board software enables a collaborative learning teaching experience. Learning is easy with our various annotation tools such as the pen, eraser and shape tools, background options, undo redo buttons, and single and multi-touch functions. AI Pen. We further enhanced the teaching experience. At Globus, we understand the needs of today's generation. Now you have an option to explore our exclusive range of digitalized K-12 class content in Hindi and English languages. The entire content is mapped as per NCERT guidelines. This K-12 content is offered through our app Content Shaala, and it aligns with the CBSE. Teachers can personalize instruction, track student progress, and identify areas for improvement, fostering a student-centric approach that promotes individual growth and success. Gone are the days of passive learning. The digital board solution or Smart Classroom Solution unlocks new possibilities, enabling students to actively explore, experiment, and discover knowledge at their own pace. Transform teaching and learning, empower students, and prepare them for success in the digital age. Join us in embracing the future of education with Globus Infocom's digital board solution, also known as Smart Classroom Solution.